What's up, everybody? It's KelseeBrianaJai, and in today's video I am talking about some things that I am getting rid of. They are getting out of my collection. These items are going to be recycled. Some of them are going to go in the trash, and some of them are going to be gifted to friends and family. But either way it goes, wherever it goes, is getting the hell up out of here, okay? So here are the two bags of things. No rhyme or reason why they're in these bags. I'm trying to find a way to get comfortable, but I'm just gonna go through these bags randomly and try to show you as much of the stuff that's in here as possible. So the first thing that I'm getting rid of is this MAC palette. These are not MAC products. These are black opal foundation sticks that I melted down, and I had all the intents to use them. I had gone to a Sam Fine / Rennie Vasquez class. They were talking about how they did this and they put it in their kit. Ask me how many times I've used it. So at this point it's expired, so maybe MAC will take back that plastic container, because you all know if you take back 6 things to MAC, you can get a free lipstick. Or if it's a freestanding store, you can get a free lipstick, lip gloss, or eyeshadow. So maybe I will recycle. So next, another MAC product. I really don't know where I was going with this. This is Film Noir by MAC, and it is a powder blush. This is back when I used to buy MAC stuff blindly. At no point in any point of time would I have been able to wear this. This is so dark, and then on my complexion, it looks like sketch. First of all, it's dry, it's patchy, and on top of that, I can't wear that on my cheeks. Like, I don't even know why I bought this. I specifically bought it for myself just because I used to have complete MAC collections, and I realize now that that is completely stupid. I didn't buy it for a kit or anything, and I never have really even used it. So it's going to be re-gifted to somebody that can make better use of it than I can. Some Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks, and I bet you I have a lot of liquid lipsticks in here just because I'm really not into liquid lipsticks. I was into it for a minute when it was really big, but now I always have been a gloss girl, but I participated in the trend, and this is Stone, which I really used to like this color, and this one is Sand, and I would use this one in the middle for a lip combination, and it was pretty, but these are dried out, and even if they weren't, they got to roll. This is very MAC heavy because this is the first time that I have really gotten rid of a lot of stuff from my collection from MAC. I've just been holding on to stuff for years. This is a Pro Concealer palette. I really like the Pro Concealer palettes just because you can do a lot of different things with them. It has correctors, it has all the shades you need. But this is old and it smells like crayons. I don't even know why I just did that. I knew it was old, but I just had to smell it. Had to. This is a ×9 palette by MAC. Nothing is wrong with this. I just don't like little bitty eyeshadows. Gotta go. This Burberry foundation, I said that I was going to finish it up. I believe I did a video called Operation Use It Up. But honestly, it's too old. Like, once foundations get to about the year mark with me, I'm done with them. I want a new one. I would rather buy a new foundation than use an old foundation and risk breaking out. Nothing is worth a breakout. I don't even care if it's one little bump. I don't want it. You can have it. I'm good. So that foundation is old. I believe I've had this probably for 4 years now. So it is beyond time for me to get that out of my collection. Another Dose of Colors lip. This one is in the color Purple Rain. And I believe I bought this one after the other ones because this was on sale at Ricky's in Miami. And I was like, ooh, Purple Rain. I got it. I believe it's like $5. Never used it. It actually was old when I got home. And I was like, but the real question is why do I still have it? I don't know. It's gotta go. More liquid lipsticks. This one is a Lime Crime one, and I use this one a lot. I got my money out of this one. This one is in the color Pansy, and actually it still is liquidy and it still smells good. I just know that this is 5 years old. But if I didn't care, I mean, the color still is good and it doesn't smell bad. A Milani Matte Metallic lip cream, a More Metallics lip cream. I don't know if this is old or not. I don't even remember. It's old. Okay. Yeah, no. Bye. Bag full of lip products. A lot of these are the MAC Pro Longwear lip pencils. I hate that formula. I cannot even get through the pencil good before it dries out and then the product just falls out. Let me show you. So, shock value. Never use this one. This is what it does. So you open it up and basically the pencil falls out. Oh, it's still some pencil in there. It broke. This is like a plastic casing, and then the other MAC lip pencils are in wood, and so those last so much longer, and this was a waste of my money. I never have used any of my MAC Pro Longwear lip pencils. All of them go bad. The only one that I am keeping in my collection is one for collector's purposes, and that one is the one that came out in the Briana collection, but it's dried up too. It dried up a long time ago, but I'm just keeping it for sentimental value. But the rest of this stuff, it can go. A Milani highlighter trio. I really don't like products like this, so I don't even know why I bought this. I'm not quite sure. A MAC mineralized blush. Let me show you all the color. May I ask myself, where am I going with this color? This very light, like white pink color. I am not about, let me show you all what this looks like. I am not about to wear that. I don't even know why I bought that. This Kat Von D lipstick. What color is this? Coven. Can you believe at one point in time I would wear this color by itself? What was I thinking? Brow Food. I forgot. Who is this by? JB Cosmetics? That doesn't sound right. I don't know who this is by, but I tried this, and basically it makes your brows look like one big lump of something weird. I'm not a fan of this. It has like the pencil at the top, which it kind of has like a white film over it. No. And then on the inside, it has like this little fuzzy thing, and you run it over your brows, and I guess it's a brow powder. It looks like a drawing of a brow without, you know, doing the hair strokes. Like if you just drew, I don't know. I can't. Another MAC blush. This one is in the color Uplifting. It's probably from somebody's limited edition collection somewhere, and it is chock full of glitter. I'm not wearing this. I don't think I've ever worn it. Bye. Another MAC blush I had no business buying. This one is in the color Sketch. I don't even know if they still make this or not, but you all know Sketch is a very popular MAC eyeshadow, and so when they made it into a blush, I made it my business to have it, even though I know that it's not going to work on my complexion. At best, I can use that as what? An eyeshadow. And I already have what? Sketch eyeshadow. The NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I'm going to have to let it stop. It's going to have to stop. I don't think I really liked it. I can't remember. This Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick. It was like a very glossy liquid lipstick. And I really like this. It almost was like, what's the word for it? It was a varnish. So it was very thick. The color was very opaque. I really liked these. It's just, I know this is old. Oh, that smells bad. MAC cream blushes. This one is in the color Optimistic Orange. I feel like this would be so bomb if they came out with this again. Oh, that smells so bad. But this, I'm scared to put it up. I'm going to put it there. But this is pretty. It's so pretty. It is a cream orange blush. I feel like the world needs this again. MAC, can we get this? I loved this. I used to use it all the time. It's so much product in here though that I couldn't finish it. MAC has tried to make cream blushes and stuff work for a while, and I used to work there. The stuff would sit. It was really hard to sell a cream orange blush. I don't think people really understood it, especially back in the day, but I think it may do better now. More MAC lipsticks. Let's see what colors these are. Tabla, which I actually really like this color. This one I believe is an online color. I ordered this like, when did I order this? I feel like this is not that old. I guess it is. I ordered it in 2015. I felt like I've had it less time than that, but I guess not. And it smells really bad. I don't even know if they still make this color. I'm gonna have to look it up. Okay, Nouvelle Vogue. I don't wear colors like this. That can go. Let me see. Photo. That one smells bad. I know I've had this one for a long time. I've had that one since 2011. Let me see. Captive. I tried to like this color, but for some reason it never really grew on me, and then now it stinks. So gotta go. This one, Sheen Supreme. I love this formula. I wish MAC would bring this back. All this formulas, everything is so plush. It's so pretty. It had like a really high shine, but yet a lot of color payoff. Love Sheen Supremes. It's old though. I've had it since 2012. Mac, please bring back Sheen Supremes. They are beautiful. That's all I'm gonna be able to go through from that bag, child. It's a whole bunch of like little lipsticks and stuff like that in there, but they just gotta go. Let's see what else is in here. This ColourPop Glitterly Obsessed. This is the body glitter, and this one is in the color Do I Look Like I Care? And I really like this. In the video, I used it on my eyes. I told you all that it is not eye safe. You can use it at your own risk, and I bought it because I wanted to use it on my eyes. But these days, I don't really want to take a risk. I know that wasn't that long ago, but I really want to be more cognizant of what stuff says. If it says it's not safe for eyes, I'm trying to listen more and be like, okay, don't put it on your eyes, because I've read too many horror stories where people have gotten their cornea scratched, where they've gotten glitter stuck in the back of their eyes, had to get their eyes taken out, all kind of crazy stuff, and it's not worth it. Another liquid lipstick, except for I actually really like this and I would buy it again. This is the Hourglass liquid lipstick. Yes, they've had liquid lipsticks for forever. This one is in the color Icon. It is so freaking pretty. This one is just really, really old. It looks like, what's that stuff called? It looks like velour. It's so pretty and how it finishes. This Stila Glitter and Glow. This dried out. This is the only one of mine that is dried out. When I open it, it flakes everywhere. And this is the only one that I didn't keep the box. With these, I found that if you kept the box, they would last a little bit longer than if you threw the box away. So this one, it's got to go. And I liked this one. This one is Smoldering Satin. But you rarely hear people even talk about this anymore. But this was such like a, excuse me, thunder. That was such a cute product when it first came out. Okay, I got a few more things that I want to show you, but then Mama's arms are tired. And actually, my brain is tired. These little MAC quads. Oh my gosh, don't use them. I've had them for forever. This one is from the Toledo collection, and this one is from the Simpsons collection. I just don't have the room. I've kept a lot of the cute stuff that I collected from MAC over the years, but I just can't keep everything. Last two things, this Smashbox liquid lipstick in the color Chill Zone, and I just knew I was about to wear this and get my gray lips on. But baby, it dried out before I even got a chance to rock it. So I never wore this. I remember spending like $30 on this with taxes and everything. And I'm like, Smashbox, what's up? And I'm getting rid of this Laura Mercier lipstick. And this one is new for me. This one is Nude Preferry. Nude Preferry. I really like this packaging. This color just doesn't do anything for me though. But it feels so good to get rid of stuff that I am not using in my collection. Like I said, all of these products are going to be allocated to the proper destination. So I have to make room for new stuff. And the only way to do that is to get rid of some old things. And I'll feel okay about continuing growing my collection because I don't want to hoard stuff if it has no sentimental value to me and I'm not using it. I'd rather just be done with it. So let me know what products you plan on purging out of your collection. I wish I had done this a little bit sooner. Like spring cleaning is when I really planned on doing it, and I really could stand to do a little bit more, but this is good for now. You have to take it in baby steps. If you are a makeup lover like I am, it's hard to get rid of stuff, and it's really hard to get rid of it if you look at it in dollar signs and you see how much money you have wasted on stuff that you don't use. But it's really important to be a cognizant spender. Like, I am more aware of what I'm spending nowadays. I don't just buy stuff for the hell of it. I either buy it for my channel, or either I buy it for my personal use, or I'll buy it for my kid. But other than that, I'm not just buying stuff just to buy it, unless it's beautiful and I'm buying it for collector's purposes, you know, because I'm not above that. But I don't just buy stuff like this for no, you know, like I used to. So baby steps. So I will check you all in my very next video, which will be super, super soon. Smooches. Bye.